Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
This tutorial shows an easy method to use the Unhook Chrome extension on mobile. You need an Android device running 7, 0 or higher for Kiwi browser support. iOS does not support Chrome extensions, so this method works on Android only. Install Kiwi from Google Play to proceed. Kiwi lets you install Chrome extensions directly from the Chrome Web Store. Expect some limitations because not all desktop APIs are available on mobile browsers. I will guide you step by step with clear actions to follow. First, install Kiwi from Google Play and open the browser on your device. In Kiwi, go to Chrome, Google.com/webstore using the address bar and press Enter. Search for Unhook in the Web Store search box and open its listing. Tap Add to Chrome and confirm the extension installation prompt when it appears. After installation, tap the 3 vertical dots and then Extensions to view installed extensions. Use the puzzle icon in the address bar to find and open Unhook for configuration. Open Unhook by tapping its icon in the Kiwi Extensions menu to access settings. Enable filters such as recommended content blocking, comments hiding, and autoplay blocking as desired. Use per site toggles to disable Unhook on sites you trust or need full functionality on. If an extension feature fails, enable desktop site mode to improve compatibility for certain pages. Keep in mind, some features may not work because mobile browsers lack certain desktop extension APIs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.